Welcome to my channel. If you pass this test, your general knowledge is amazing. 20 questions. Each question has 10 sec. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Let's get started. Good luck. Which month has exactly 30 days? Which animal lays eggs but is not a bird? Which metal is attracted to a magnet? Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Which country uses the yen as its currency? Which organ pumps blood through the body? Which shape has no sides? Which planet is famous for its rings? Which sense organ is used to smell? Which material comes from sheep? Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Which day comes after Friday? Which gas is essential for breathing? Which country is shaped like a boot? Which object tells time? Which season comes after summer? Which number is an even number? Which animal is known for changing its color? Which food is made from milk? Which planet is known for having life? Which direction does the sun rise from? Which object is used to write on a blackboard? Thanks for watching us on GK Alpha. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.